Here is a really quick review of these sliding shorts. These are Franklin sliding shorts, which is a really great brand name for baseball players. They make great quality stuff. So the sliding shorts, the purpose of them is that they act as a jock as well without having that obnoxious tight jock strap that can be very uncomfortable when they're wearing it for long periods of time. If you have a baseball player, they're gonna be in tournaments, they're gonna have them on all day. So you want something comfortable. So these shorts also double to hold the jock as well. On the inside here, you've got your pocket that the cup will go for easy removal as well for when you need to wash it out. So nice elastic waist. The stitching is great. It's a very comfortable. My son's already tried these on. They fit well. They're comfortable. But the sliding short aspect is the extra padding on the outside of the thigh here. So what that's going to do is just going to give them a little bit of extra protection for as they are sliding into the base. It is on both sides of the short. It is stitched in there, so it's not going to come out. They are not removable pads. They are stitched right in there, so they will be able to get washed with the shorts themselves. They've got white. I like white because then if they are wearing a light colored baseball pant, you're not going to see them through there. So these are the Franklin sliding shorts. I recommend getting them for your little ball player.